Well, hello everyone. Today we will be doing an unboxing video about the Canon EOS RP. This is the adapter and the lens kit. So we got the EOS R adapter plus the 24-105 lens. Same lens that we have here. It's actually a very nice lens. Have it here on a 6D Mark II. Alright, so let's just go through the specs. 26 megapixel full frame, ISO goes up to 40,000, full HD. In pictures, full HD goes up to 25,600, and 4K, I don't know why, 12,800. Digital processor, 5 frames per second. We're getting the dual pixel CMOS autofocus, albeit only works in full HD, does not work in 4K. Very angle LCD, Wi-Fi certified Bluetooth RF lenses, OLED, EVF, viewfinder. Alright, with this kit we get the lens, obviously the charger battery, and we get the adapter. Okay, so let's open this up. Comes in this nice box. Oh, and they also include this the extension grip adapter as well with the deal. I got this for $16.99, alright, on Amazon. Alright, so actually bought this myself. Here, let's just go ahead and open this. Got it a week ago, but I just didn't have time to actually do the unboxing. Alright, so this is what's in the box here. Wow, looks like it comes with the retail version of this lens. Very nicely packaged. Alright, so this is the 24-105 STM lens. So what STM means, shows this here, is the stepper motor lens, which means that the focus motor runs in silent. So you don't, if you're autofocusing, you don't hear any motor noises from the lens. It's a very nice feature when you're video recording. And did I say already, it has an image stabilizer. Then we get the mount adapter from the EF to EOS R. And some bubble wrap and a box. Alright, let me change the focus. So what we have here again is the adapter, the lens, and the camera. Alright, so let's start with the adapter. So this thing is rather small. From my previous experience, I know it comes with a pouch. The reason why I bought this kit was that it's the most affordable version. The R lenses are really expensive now. So this here is the basic adapter. You know, nothing special, just a little bit of an extension tube, and it just connects the two systems. All right. So let's put that away. Then we have the lens. Again, the lens is actually identical to this one. There we go. Let's see actually if it is. There we go, comes very nicely packaged. Well, so that's the lens. Oh, this one actually looks a bit, no, it is the same lens. It's just the anti-caps make it look bigger. Yeah, I thought for a second it's a bit bigger, but no, it's the same exact lens. That's pretty cool. So one of these I actually have to be selling because I'm not gonna keep two lenses. I bought it as a kit in order to, to take advantage of the savings. Alright, so I already know how this lens performs. Obviously this lens is a 3.5 to I believe 5.6, but it is extremely sharp. What you'll notice though Let me wrap this up. Compared to like an f2.8 lenses, you'll notice that it distorts a bit on the edges, and obviously the aperture is 5.6. But for the normal type of, or like an everyday shooting, when you don't require a low aperture, this is like an excellent everyday walk around lens with a decent stabilization, really nice sharp focus, and then it's actually fairly compact. But once you add it onto the adapter, obviously it proves to be a tiny bit longer. Yeah, so it doesn't seem that small. But we'll try it on the camera and see how it goes, okay? And here we go, the grand finale. The EOS RP. Ooh. Seems very, very minimalistic. And we got the warranty cards, manuals. Are you kidding me? Wow. Well, this sucks. I don't like this part. Small batteries. This is like the T6i EOS 77D battery. Well, this sucks. This really sucks, Canon. Why would you throw a smaller battery? Anyway, alright, so I don't like this part already. And then we got the charger for this small battery. Okay. Yeah. Why change the battery size? When the lens is this big, does this battery really matter? Anyway, alright, so moving on. We got the strap and the camera. Again, nothing extremely fancy in this box. And the camera is somewhat tiny. Wow, and it seems extremely light. Not extremely, but seems very light. Alright, so let's take this off. Okay, so if you notice, there's no shutter inside here. Unlike the EOS R, there's actually shutter and it covers the sensor and it helps in the readout, I guess. So this is all, seems purely electronic. Unless there's something inside there. Maybe I just don't know enough. Alright, let me see here what's going on. You notice right away that this touch bar is missing. I never really liked that all that much. We have the power button here on the left. Let me move this out of the way so it's easier to see. So what we have here, power switch on the left, mode dial here, some adjustment wheel here with the lock here. So the layout does seem a bit different. And the buttons don't have the same feel as that EOS R. Right away I would say that the EOS R just feels much better, a little bit bigger in the hand. This actually feels fairly substantial. But I would compare it to a EOS 6D Mark II, which basically this is kind of replacing. Look at the size difference. I mean, it's just like huge size difference here. But it's just so much smaller. Wow. Get a nice flip out LCD. Seems to be about the same size. The viewfinder should be amazing on this thing. That should be good. Overall, the camera does feel a bit... it feels like a budget camera somewhat, but it doesn't feel bad. Let's put the lens on there. Again, well, let's finish the layout here. So we got the autofocus points, exposure lock, focusing points, info, quality, kind of like a joystick dial, playback button, garbage, menu. We'll have to rely on a touchscreen here. For the bottom here, we got the tripod mount. We got the battery mount. I mean, come on, just should have made this a little bit bigger. Yeah, just don't know why they didn't make it a little thicker here to allow full-size batteries. Okay, and the SD card goes right here. So you'll notice we're missing the side access for an SD card like it used to have on all Canon cameras. Alright, and then, so that might be a problem if you're putting this on a tripod and you're covering the battery door. That may be an issue. One more thing here, this is the video record button, AF assist lamp, and on this side here we have all the ports. So we have a camera trigger, then we have a microphone and a headphone jack right there. And then we have the HDMI and the USB 3.0 port, which are really nice. So this camera is Wi-Fi ready, so you can use this with an app, which is really nice. Let's put the battery. Where did we put the battery? Put it inside here. So look at that. There's really no reason to save on a body size if your lens is this big. To me, that just never made sense. Let's hook up this body extension thing. The extension grip. So they give this out for free. I chose to go with the free one. Actually feels pretty cool. Feels all plasticky, but that's fine. Everything else is plastic. It's got some guide pins for anti-rotation. And it looks like we're supposed to take the battery out. I mean, not the battery, the battery door. Where do we store the battery door? Okay, it doesn't look like we'd store it anywhere. Alright, so I'm gonna put this thing on. Ooh, that's nice. Okay. Cool. It's actually really nice. Like, fits it perfect. I like that. Wow. Feels very, very solid. I actually like that a lot. That's pretty cool. Then we still have our tripod mount in here inside this thumb wheel. If we want to access the battery, we just open this up. So now you have a very, very substantial door. Maybe they should have just made this into a battery. This would be pretty cool. Alright, let's see if we can turn this thing on. Alright, so here we go. Alright, can't really do much because the battery is dead. So I have to charge the battery. But here we go. Here's the size comparison to a 6D. My first impression for a $1,300 body. It actually might not be that bad. I wish Canon didn't cripple the video recording and still gave us the dual pixel AF in 4K. They already took away the codecs and the ability to record via external monitors. For example, like this one, you don't get a clean output in HDMI. I mean, it actually would be a really good budget video camera. Anyhow, this was like the first impression and the body kind of outside overview by SLR Tom. If you found this video in any way useful, please rate, subscribe, and share. And I plan on making a review of this camera later on, probably in a couple of weeks. So stay tuned, take care, and peace.